Welcome to Edinburgh's Arthur Seat Hill. Today I am going to show you something that few people know even exists. Even most local residents have never seen what I am going to show you today. So, come along as I take you there now. I'm cycling on my bike, starting at the Holyrood Park roundabout. Remember to watch to the end when I'll show you how to get back here. We're now heading towards the Royal Commonwealth Pool. But, we turn right here into this unremarkable housing estate. There's a secret hidden here, just watch. Turn right, and right again. Can you see it yet? Past these garages and then suddenly, a spooky tunnel appears. That's right, this is a tunnel that runs right underneath the hill. This is called the Innocent Railway Tunnel and is now part of a cycle path that leads from here right the way to the beach at Portobello. The tunnel was built between 1828 and 1831. It was originally built as part of the Edinburgh and Dalkeith Railway, which was one of the earliest railways in Scotland. The tunnel was designed by the engineer James Jardine and it runs for around 2.4 kilometers. One thing you've surely noticed is that it is an unofficial gallery for local graffiti artists. The walls are adorned throughout with colorful designs that really make the tunnel a bright and vibrant place. You may also find music here, when buskers and music enthusiasts start playing here in the tunnel. You may hear all different styles of music, from Scottish folk music through to modern dance music. Its acoustics mean the music takes on an ethereal feel that gives the experience a whole new perspective. We're now nearing the end of the tunnel. So you now have a choice on where to go next. You can turn right along this path to return where we began this adventure, or, if you carry on along this path you'll see stunning views of Arthur's Seat. I'll make another video about this route for you soon. Thank you for watching this video and I hope you enjoyed it. Please give it a thumbs up as this really helps this channel grow, and you can subscribe to enjoy more videos like this. Goodbye, and I'll see you on the next video.